What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can hide your reposts on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up the TikTok app. After that you have to go to your profile. So after going to your profile, what you need to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. So after clicking on this, you have to go to on settings and privacy. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to settings and privacy, what you need to do, you have to go to your privacy, you have to click on this. Then what you can see, here is a bunch of options, but there is no options to hide your reposts from your TikTok app. So what you can do as an alternative option, you have to click on private account. So after privating your account, you reposts and posters can be seen only for the people that have followed you, or say they have sent you follow request and you have accepted them to see your posts and reports. So this is how you can hide your repost and posts on TikTok app. This is the only way guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.